These are baby balls, and that's the plantation of kale. Look at this plantation of kale. We are just harvesting some kale vegetables before these bulls will gonna finish them. Look at that, they finished already one paddock. This is Brenda, who doesn't even know what is kale vegetables. She doesn't know what is superfood. Wow, they nearly finished all the kale. Look at this, it's become brown. They finished all. Wow, it's almost like they said like it's about 10 hectares full of kale plantations and eaten by cows and bulls. At the moment, they're just a little bit older, so we're just taking the top one. Not too bad. Brenda is laughing at me. I'm eating it raw, but this is fresh. Good for salad. I already harvested 2 bags, and this would be my supply for a week. Good. Just take the top one, the young leaves. Actually, Brenda is from Benguet, but she had no idea that kale is so very nutritious. Ayo ay kanan di busaw. There are few turkeys in here. And do you know that they were pests as well? There are pests in the farm. Wow. Forward ka, Brenda. Kamaro tayo. At that wild peacock. You know that wild peacock here in New Zealand is a pest. Heifers cows, and they are first timers, so they only produce about 10 liters and twice a day. Oh, look at the poo. See? You do milking at the same time. They're pooing. About 500 cows. Moo. 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 Alpaca. Hello. Look at you. Look at the camera. It's a black sheep. Cool. Yeah. It's a huge goat. Is there? Just delivered. These are the heifer's cow. How many liters ngayon, Dita?
Umabot-mati sa akin, no?
Oh, it would be 10 liters.
Liters.
These cows were first timers, so they only produce about 10 liters. But once they're getting older, they produce about 17 liters in just one go, one in the morning and one in the evening. the milk is there, like it's about producing about 10 to 15 liters in just one go. One in the morning and one in the evening. Oh, that's the milk. It's only one. How many liters is this? 20. So this is for 2 cows. They call this carry over. They're the next one to get pregnant. This is a farmhouse. And look at my view every morning. What a blessing to be staying in the farm. And this is our food.
For 3 person.
Shabu shabu. Wake up in the morning and chicken just arrived in your front door.